Here's my day. This is what I do. I get up at 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock?
7 o'clock. I take a shower at 7:30.
7:30?
7:30. I have breakfast at 7:45.
7:45?
7:45. I go to school at 8:15.
8:15?
8:15. I start classes at 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock?
9 o'clock. I have lunch at 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock?
1 o'clock. I go home at 5:15.
5:15?
5:15. I have dinner at 7:30.
7:30?
7:30. I go to bed at 10:45.
10:45?
10:45. And then I start all over again.